The challenges your skin faces daily and results that come out of all those impurities embedding in your skin is topic of discussion. You can now fix this issue by reading the below article. Your skin is the indicator of your health. A fair and glowing skin indicates that a person is hale and hearty. Unfortunately, your skin wrinkles sag and discolor along with aging. Fortunately, some marvelous anti-aging creams are containing essential vitamins that repair your damaged skin, reduces wrinkles, and not just change the appearance of your skin, but also improves its health in numerous ways. Vitamin C is one of the safest and most effective nutrients, experts say. Though it may not be the cure for the common cold, the benefits of vitamin C may include protection against immune system deficiencies, cardiovascular disease, prenatal health problems, eye disease, and even skin wrinkling. Even vitamin C supplements have been found to lower blood pressure in both healthy adults and those with high blood pressure. Benefits of vitamin C cream. Anti-aging vitamin C cream can prevent your skin from aging, and help you to get younger-looking skin. Know the benefits of vitamin E as an anti-aging agent, and how to use it for the optimum results. Vitamin C, medical term, alpha-tocopherol, a fat-soluble compound, is credited for repairing dry cracked skin when used topically. It also helps to retain the skin moisture and protects the skin from sunburn and chronic UVB skin damage. It is an antioxidant and protects the skin from the damaging effect of the free radicals on lipids responsible for making cell membranes. Free radicals are the molecules containing unpaired electrons which crave electrons from other cells, thereby oxidize them and harm the tissue. The topical application of vitamin C has more significant results as compared to the oral dosage. When get mixed with vitamin E, its photoprotective effect increase several times. Anti-aging creams with vitamin E reduce, mask, and prevent the signs of aging. It makes an anti-aging cream more efficacious. It enhances the immune system and assists in the expression of the genes. Antioxidants are molecules that boost the immune system. They do so by protecting cells from harmful molecules called free radicals. An animal study found that taking a vitamin C supplement helped relax the skin vessels that carry blood from the heart, which gives good blood flow. Vitamin C can help fade pigmentation, more on this below, and smooth the skin's surface to reduce dullness. This gives the skin a youthful glow. Vitamin C has also been shown trusted source to treat a huge variety of inflammatory skin conditions. Minimizing redness can create a more even complexion. How to use a vitamin C. Vitamin C cream is typically applied once or twice per day. A good rule of thumb is to cleanse, tone, apply vitamin C serum, and then moisturize. It can be safely used in conjunction with other active ingredients-free reprint articles, although use alongside niacinamide may render vitamin C less effective.